Hello, it's me and I'm back. Actually, I'm not back because I never left. Okay, I have been sitting here the whole time. You just couldn't see me. My name is Sassy, and if the lady thought she was going to open my IPSY for February, no, she's not. She hid it, and she thought she was going to open it and not let me. But no, that's where she's wrong. Because you see, I have my February IPSY bag. This is it right here. And I know how to start unboxing. I'm getting a little bit familiar with it. Thank you. Just do one of these just in case I need a little help. All right. It comes in a puffy mailer, like this, you know, this puffy envelope. It comes every month. Those of you that are just don't know what's going on, I have no idea what's going on either, but we're going to learn together. This is a IPSY Glam Bag, and it has like skincare. It has, you can go shopping in their shop. They got hair tools, they got skin, body, all kinds of stuff. It's like Bath, Body and Works all in one. But this is a makeup, you know, it's like beauty. I hope I got that part right. Okay, so I took everything out of my bag. I've seen her do this. This is the cute, look at the bag, you guys. It's for Valentine's. And I had a galentine to be my galentine on Mask Monday. I announced my winner. That's right. It was Miss Tracy No. And she did get a hold of me. So thank you very much. Give her such a congratulations. Because, you know, she does. She always comes to my shows every Monday. I see Tracy. I do. I always see her. Okay. So they put something in here extra. I don't know what this is. This must be the ladies. Because, you know, sometimes she shops. But it's the pillowy cream. What is this? The citrus spritz shave cream. So this must be like a add-on, a press-on, a hood-on, or you know, whatever. I don't know. It's just there. I think this is $13 a month now. Yes, I think it is. And you get one choice. You do. But you get one, right? Okay, you get one choice. This was my choice. It was deodorant. Who the hell chooses deodorant? But I did, because it was the only damn thing to choose from that was worthwhile. I didn't want the other crap. The other stuff was just, you know, it was crap. Okay, so this is from Refreshments. It's called My Refreshments, Skin Refreshments. I don't know, whatever. But it is a company, sister company of IPSY, just in case you didn't want to know. See, I do listen when I'm up there in the boardroom. I'm telling you, I listen. Sometimes I talk over her when she's thinking. Anyway, this is a breezy deodorant in Pacific Fizz. And I'll tell you something, that other stuff she has, the citrus spritz in the deodorant stinks. It stinks like molded herbs. This stuff, better not. It's white, it's not clear. I don't wonder if it will go on clear, because I'm excited about this. Right now we use LUME. You know, the stuff that's supposed to get rid of all your body odor? Yes, because you have bacteria. Ask your doctor about it if you think it's a joke. It's not. Ask your gynecologist when she's down there, and she'll tell you, use LUME. That smells amazing. Do you want to smell it or smell it? Sick. It does, right? We're gonna smell so pretty. Oh shit, now it won't go down. Okay, I'm doing it. Trying not to mess the video up. Shoot, I think, okay, never mind. Everything's under control. Everything is under control. Sit down. Do not use the fire exits. Just sit down. Okay, let's get into this. Is this not cute? Look at it's metal. The hardware, yes, it's metal. And it says IPSY. Oops, you can't see it. Damn it. Okay, quiet, sorry. Trying to show you that it says IPSY. Nobody believes me. There you go. See, it says IPSY. I told you, I knew it did. The other ones have been plastic and I don't like it. I like the ones that have hardware that is you know it's metal. So we're gonna pull everything out of the bag because I do love this. This is gonna go in our purse. Oh, it is. You know it is, because I'm just gonna tell her it's going in our purse whether she likes it or not. Okay, you get a card just like you do in the Boxy. It says introducing the Edit Fenty. Okay, it says it's coming on when? Okay, wait. Oh, March 1st to be looking. Don't tell them. Don't tell them about March 1st. No, don't. You guys quiet. Everybody cover your ears, because then you guys will go and then I'll try to buy it and it'll be gone. I have to tell the lady about this, and I don't want you guys going and plugging up the portal on the IPSY website. So I'm not going to tell you about the Fenty. I'm not. Anyhow, this is it right here. It says full hearts. Full hearts. It says swoon over the real and totally unfiltered you. Oh, we were always unfiltered. This face you cannot use a filter on. Whether it's snapping a glam selfie. Oh, we do that all the time. Or cozying up with your favorite rom-com. What the hell is a rom-com? I have no idea. Treat this month as an invitation to fill your heart with what you love. I think I'm falling in love. He was talking to somebody else. I don't think he heard that. Anyhow, full hearts. Well, you see that? You see that, Greg? You see that, Greg? That's what people get for their ladies. Okay, inside it does have a list. It's got a list. It's got a list. Yes, it does. It's got a list of all the items inside your bag. Yes, it does. Okay, we're going to start from the top. Violet Voss. We love Violet Voss. We do. We really do. Look at, she's all stuck to stuff. Single. It's a single. Oh, the single ladies. Oh, I've heard that song. She sings it. I've heard it. I hear everything up here. Who sings that song? Oh, the single ladies. I have no idea. Somebody let me know back down in the comment sections. Tell me who sings all the single ladies. Okay, this is Violet Voss. And this is a Radiant Blush in Make Me Blush. Okay, this is full size. This is $20. This full size, you guys. This is, no, that's crazy. Who gives you a blush that, well, okay, never mind. But look at that red. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. That's crazy. That is very, very bright. That's like a fruit, like a pomegranate. But it says make me blush. I don't know. Well, maybe it will. Maybe it won't. We'll see. I'm learning not to blush around Greg anymore. He's, you know, we're starting to get comfortable. We've only been together a few weeks, you guys. It's not like we're getting married in the summer. He's got to put a ring on it. Okay, refreshments. I already talked about my deodorant. Seems crazy, but that's okay. That was one of our choices. In Pacific, it's full size, $12. It's cheaper than the damn blush. Holy shit. Okay, M2U. I am into you. This is very pretty. It's an eyeshadow duo. Look at that. Okay, let me open it because there's too many lights bouncing off me. This is a deluxe sample. So if you were to get the big one, it'd be $12. That makes sense because this is just a little duo. Look at how pretty. She could have put that on her eyes today instead of that Jason hoo-hoo, woody-hoo. You know, this would have been nice. This is part of her single ladies. Okay, Pretty Woman. This is a nail polish. This is a full size. It is $8. It's not bad for nail polishes, you guys. The lady did nails for many years. And $8 is a really good price for nail polish. Especially if it's like this. So you look like a hooker. You just run around looking like a hooker. This is what you see on the ladies on the beach. On their toes. We call them, oh, I know I said it a couple of times. It's okay. They know they are. It's not that big of a deal. If you want to look like that, that's okay. That's your prerogative. Okay, next one is by Zion or Zion Health. It is an elderberry hydrating lip balm. Oh, this is nice. I wonder if she's going to let us keep this one. It's like the chapstick. You should always have one of these in your purse, in your car, in the kitchen cabinet, you know, where you pull out your silverware. This should always, maybe, I don't know, by your bedside. You know, your end tables in the living room. You should always have it. Is it in your desk? You need lip balm. It's keep the lips hydrated. You're going to be making out with a man all the time. If you're married, maybe not. If you're dating, you will. Oh, this is considered full size. I would hope so, because I've never seen anything bigger than this. This is $4. $4, oh my goodness. Well, yeah, because it's like $5 at the little liquor stores. Not that I go to the liquor stores. I'm just saying I remember. And I know prices have gone up. So this is not bad for full size $4, you guys. What do you think? So we got this nail polish, the hooker polish, and the M2U Duo eyeshadow palette. I should have just left it on the ground. Anyway, like I really give a damn now. it pisses me off when my hands just fumble things. And then there was the Violet Voss, that very, 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 very red blush. Okay, what do you guys think? All these items. You just see, if you're new, you've never seen this before, to all my new patrons and my new fans, this is pretty cool, huh? You get all these little goodies to try out. Well, you know, you just don't try this out and hand it to somebody. It's not nice. That's gross. But you know what I mean? I mean, look at what they gave me for $13. If you add the ones that are full size, I'm telling you, you got a good bargain. And you get to keep the bag. And did you know the bag is worth $8? I think it is worth, yes. So start it off with $8 and then start adding up your products. You get an $8 makeup bag. Anyway, I'm just rambling on now. That's it for this video. And what are your feelings? What's your thoughts on my full hearts, you guys? This was my IPSY, February 2022. Is that what I say? Do I have to say the year? Like they don't know what year they're in? This doesn't seem right. Everybody knows what year it is. Okay, that's it. I'm done. I'll see you guys in another video. You guys all need to just sit there because I've got another show coming up. No, you don't have to go anywhere. I don't have to say goodbye. Peace. See ya. Okay, good. Give me another bag. I am like all jacked up. I just like want to go open, open, open. Seriously, just open, open, open. Let's open some more shit up. I mean, just come on. Bring on the boxes. No, I did. I clicked it. I turned it off. Thank you.
Is it